Hey guys, Lloyd here from iGen Entrepreneur. Hope you're all well. So thank you again for joining me for top tip number 3. So what have we been up to? First tip, we have been looking at pretty much everything in the house for supplier details next to the barcode. Awesome. When we're out and about, we have been safely taking photos of vans, lorries, potential suppliers. And when we are in the corner shop getting a bag of sugar, we have been keeping our eye out for cages, deliveries, potentially, things like that for the names of other suppliers. And now that we're on to top tip number 3 and we're still in the shop, the best supplier probably not the best supplier, but the supplier that I probably spent the most money with, or a lot of money with, was generated from a conversation in an off license. Basically, I was organizing an engagement party, wanted to buy, load of drink for everyone, wasn't prepared. Wanted to see what I could get in terms of a discount for bulk buys. But the manager basically said, listen, plan on doing X, Y, Z, so on and so forth. What can you do? And she said, well, I can't really do anything at this level, but here's the name of my supplier. Yeah, it's that easy. Yeah, that was it. Now, bought a load of drink from them for the party, got in a conversation, and that was it. So that is a good way to find a supplier, but kind of the process behind it is just to always be conscious about that, and don't be afraid to speak to people. This is all about speaking to people. It seems really simple and really kind of straightforward, but this is all about speaking to people, building relationships, and I'll talk about that in another top tip. But really, just be present and be just confident and kind of saying, what about this, what about that, and you'll be surprised where it leads you. So that's top tip number 3. See you guys for the next one.